Hello, today we are going to go out and explore around Las Vegas. Lived here 30 years and there's a lot I haven't seen yet, so we're going to take a hike and look for the Wheel of Misfortune. So we're out by Lake Las Vegas and we're going to walk and go see if we can find this place. It's supposed to be an abandoned manganese mine from the early 1900s. And we're gonna go check it out. Okay, I want to show you, you can see the Las Vegas skyline down there. So we're out right by Lake Las Vegas. This is on the way to Lake Mead. And it's actually a quick walk from the road. So this is what they call the Wheel of Misfortune right here. So you can see inside they painted it to look like the Wheel of Fortune wheel. So I'm going to send up the drone and try to get some footage from up above. They got these big circle things. They got a bunch all around. So I've never been here, so we're going to explore and see what's around. Okay, so we're gonna walk around in here. I sent the drone up, get some pretty cool shots. You can see there's a lot of graffiti, but that one that looks like the Wheel of Fortune or a roulette wheel, that's the one it is actually some graffiti artist went in there and took that picture. Alright, so this is where everybody goes to dump all their crap. Pretty cool looking though.
I know it. I just said it. I didn't call her late. I didn't call her late.
walk over this way, there's a big hole they dug. I don't know if this is where the manganese, I don't know how you mine manganese. But they got a big pit over here. Pretty far down. If we go down this way, so you can see the proximity, there's Las Vegas Strip over there. It's behind that giant palm tree tower thing. And there's all of Las Vegas. That's pretty cool. So you can see there's not many spots where they didn't leave any graffiti. So they got quite a few of these things around. This one appears to be the biggest. Or it might be the same as the one I just passed. There's even another one back there. Okay, we're gonna go down inside this one. Yeah, so the one I was just walking in still had full of concrete. Now this one you can see it's just dirt inside. So I don't know if they just took it out over the years or if it was made differently. Alright, and there's the wheel of misfortune right here. So this is, you know, we're all stuck quarantined, but we're allowed to go out hiking and stuff as long as you social distance. So we're just going to start going checking things out around town. And if it's cool, I'll share it with you guys. So I think this is pretty cool. Something different, and it's very close. There's Las Vegas again, so it's only like 20 miles out of town or so, if that. So this is at Three Kids Mine. That's where you would really look up to find this place. And then you could, Wheel of Misfortune is what they call that painted one. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.